Okay, families always give thanks and praises. Your creator, whoever you might conceive your creator to be. And for me, the day above ground is a wonderful day. Now, let me see how I'm going to phrase this video. Because if I phrase it the wrong way, they're liable to strike me again. Because this no about, I can't really say it too because, see, I think they have, what should I say, a mediator or some sort of digital analyst that pick up certain words when you say it to strike you. So I can have to try a way of phrasing my words properly when I'm making this video. Now, you guys gonna have to read between the lines. I cannot read and spell for you. Pick up what I'm saying and read between the lines. Okay. Now, you know what I jab thing or the Vaseline. They're trying everywhere for you to get it. Okay. Now you know they're trying to jab, they're trying to pill, they're trying to patch, they're trying to put it in the food. They're trying everywhere possible for you to get this Kool-Aid. Read between the lines. Okay. I've been made to understand now, and it's on the news too, that they are sending out, or you can order your special testing to find out if you could have the Kool-Aid or not. And they can send you a package in the mail, 6 packages for you to test your own self if you have the Kool-Aid or not. Now, I'm thinking here out loud or out the box. They're trying everywhere possible for you to get the Kool-Aid. Okay. Now the figuring is not working fast enough, and not enough people are taking the Kool-Aid to read between the lines. Now, if they're telling you that you can order your testing thing and they can send it to you, now it kind of makes you think, what are they going to have inside that testing thing that you can put it up your to test to see if you have it or not? You don't think that they're putting something on that testing thing that when you put it up your, they know exactly you're going to get it? Let me think it now. They're figuring not enough people are getting the Kool-Aid, so they can tell you can order your testing thing and they'll send you in the mail and you can test yourself. Now, in the beginning, when they put that thing up here, they were saying it was on that, so you might get the Kool-Aid that way. Now, if you're going to send me in the mail for me to test myself, I am thinking maybe you have it on the same thing that I tested myself with, and I can get the Kool-Aid when they test myself. So, folks think anything free is no good. So if they can tell you you can order it from the website, every place you can order it from, and they can send it to you, and it's free. Nothing free is no good. If any person give you something free, they have an agenda behind that. So think for yourself. If any person giving you anything free, there is an agenda behind that. Nothing is free. Even the air we breathing, they have it polluted. Like my mama said, hello, hello. Okay then. So folks, I don't know what to tell you. All I can tell you is that heaven is coming for earth, but we're going to live beautifully. We are going to live beautifully. We're going to have enough money, enough health, enough happiness, enough prosperity, enough love on earth that we can like, damn, I never knew that earth could be like this. So I tell you folks, yes, hang in there folks, because I'm not bringing all bad news. I tell you, we got something called the Galactic Federation of Light and the Council of the Universe. And what they do, like I said before in previous videos, what they do is they monitor the planets and see if the planets are living in peace and harmony. If the people on the planet are living in peace and harmony, and they intervene. Now they intervene with Earth from the time they drop the bomb on Nagasaki and Hiroshima that will wake up the whole universe. They say, what the hell? These kids down there playing with stuff they don't know what they're doing. These kids are playing with dynamite. They don't know what they're doing. No, no, no. These kids will wake up the whole universe. They're sending a shockwave through the whole universe. They said, no, we have to go down there. So like I told you before, if you watch my old videos, you'll see that you have something called, what they call aliens or interdimensional beings. And what they do, they came here and all the spacecraft that had nuclear weapons on it, they came over the aircraft, sent a beam of light and disarmed them. They disarmed all the space, all the airplanes that had nuclear power bombs on it. They disarmed them. All the nuclear plants that have nuclear power, they disarmed them. So you see, folks, like I said before, and I'll say again, whatever they're planning on doing, it is not going to work. So don't let them have you living in fear. No, don't do that. Don't let them have you living on fear and you can't get this or you can't get that, and they have you locked down with this and no, don't do that. You see, that's how they're going to survive. But you living in fear, and fear is what keeps them alive. They're beings that survive off of your fear. There are beings on the planet that survive off of your fear. So the more fearful you are, the more energy you're giving to them. That's why you have to eliminate what we call energy vampires. People that suck you dry. You get around them and they just draw your energy and you feel weak and tired. You have to eliminate a lot of those people. I even start deleting people from my WhatsApp, my Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. I realized that if they're no use to me, I don't need them. I don't. I came to a stage in my life that if you're not there to lift me or make my life any better, it's a waste of my time. If you can't give me a kind word or give me some sort of advice to make my life better, it's a waste of my time, and I don't have time to waste. My time is precious. After living so long on this planet, my time is precious, and I want to enjoy every minute of my life. So, folks, to cap this all off, the stuff don't know the stuff in the mail because they don't know what the stuff got in, and always be kind and loving and giving and caring and humble, respectful and appreciative, and considerate, and do not be judgmental or criticizing, because whatever you say about some person, you're actually saying about yourself. Like I'm looking at myself here on the phone. So if I'm talking bad about people, I'm actually talking bad about myself. So you might have a comment, like I said before, but don't call no person stupid or ignorant or mad or she is this or he is that or he is this. Don't do that. No. Anybody come with you and talking bad about some person, say, listen, I don't really want to know. I don't want to know. It's them. I don't want to know. Oh, I don't want to know. I don't want to know. As a matter of fact, this is what you should do. If some person come to you, anything negative, any person with, let me ask you a question. Is that person credible? No. Is what that person saying words carry weight? No. Is what that person saying can make my life any better? No. Then I don't want to know. Then I don't want to know. Until then, folks, I love you guys. Be kind and loving and giving. Treat everyone the way you want to be treated. And your life would be beautiful, just like mine. I live deliciously. I live my life deliciously. with no complaints about nothing. I love you guys now. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your comments. I love you guys. I really do. Enjoy your life. And remember, your thoughts create your reality. Whatever you think on, you will manifest. Whether you want it or not, whatever you think on, you are going to manifest. So always think positively. Peace out. One love.